The Dyson Small Ball Allergy. And this is all about not the things you can see, but the things you can't.
Small ball, is that because it's fairly compact?
Not just compact, but it's also really lightweight. So it weighs about 7 kilos, which makes it really easy to whip around the house and navigate. And that's all thanks to the ball mechanism.
Oh, that's so good when you want to clean upstairs or even kind of cleaning the stairs themselves. I always find that's quite tricky. Be much easier to carry around.
Yeah, it's super handy and you can just go from room to room seamlessly.
And when you're buying a vacuum, really it's about how easy it is to use and if it's straightforward.
So it also comes with 4 tools and they have completely different functions. So whether you're vacuuming the stairs or even vacuuming a mattress, it's really easy to use.
Those attachments are crucial as well if you're trying to get to somewhere that's difficult to reach or a bit tough to clean. That's when they really come into their own.
Totally, it's handy for everyday use.
I think we've done quite a good job.
It does look pretty spotless actually, I must say. And if you're interested and would like to know more about the Dyson Small Ball Allergy, then visit Curry's PC World, in store or online.